Okay, so first thing we're going to do is go into our class team. Then we're going to go to our assignments and open up that reading progress assignment. Here we go, reading practice. All right, I'll go ahead and open up the student work and we can take a look at these new features. All right, so here we have the student demo student. Hey, wait a minute. This student looks a lot like me. Anyways, some of the new features here are the following. Right here, we see the correct words per minute. This is now a clickable link that will show me average words per minute for this student. Of course, you'll need several attempts over time in order to see that data. Here, you're going to see another clickable link, which is the accuracy rate. This will show you the accuracy and the different items that were called out in the student's reading. And again, it's over time, over multiple attempts and multiple assignments. Here we can click on this to see the practice words that came up in Reading Coach, and we can see how the student performed on those specific words. All right, now as you know, reading progress assesses the student reading and calls out the different words by highlighting them. Now, what's new down here at the left is you can now turn off this auto detect feature. What if you want to review the student's reading on your own? You can go ahead and turn this off and you can listen to the student and mark the words yourself. Marco and Marie are camping in the yard. The word yard was mispronounced. I can go ahead and click on that and make that a mispronunciation. So you can go through it, listen to the student, and make your own assessment. Now we can also turn the auto detect back on. And of course we have our sensitivity adjustment here, low, medium, and high. Now below that we have the background noise suppression. This is also a new feature. So if you are listening to the student's reading and you're hearing a lot of background noise, which can be common in classrooms, you can go ahead and click on this toggle to go ahead and scan the audio file and remove the background noise, and it will run the auto detect again to reassess the reading. Okay, and so here we have the noise removed and we had the items reassessed. And so this could likely make a big difference when you have a lot of noise in the background. Experiment with it. Let us know what you think. Let us know if it's helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.